guys, and it's time for some cooking with Carl M. Beard. And if you didn't know, my name is Carl M. Beard, because of the M that was shaved onto my red beard. No, it's not Mario's hat. Okay, and now we're gonna be doing some cooking. We're gonna make Snickers, a fun-sized Snickers bar, out of a box of Tic Tacs, a cut-off metal mushroom from the Mushroom Kingdom, a dead light bulb, and a thingy scope. And last but not least, and the longest, a stinky old sock. And you can't forget your size small kitchen knife. A size small is good, but you can go bigger with the size large. This is a size small. Size large is a little bit bigger. But to start us off, we will not need the Tic Tacs, but we will need a sock. So you can put everything except the sock on the side of the table. Except the light bulb. You can probably put that in your pocket or something. So have the sock horizontally on the table. Take your size small kitchen knife and start cutting. So where I'm going to start cutting is this blue strip right here. So cut there, not till it cuts off, but till, well, one part of the sock is cut. Okay, now that we've got that cut, I'm going to start cutting right where the ankle is. Let's start cutting that. Be careful when you're cutting this. Okay, now I'm going to start cutting here. Okay, so you should have three parts that you cut. The blue strip, right by the ankle, and right by the stinky part of your sock, where your toesies go. And I got some good ones. Toesies, oh toesies. And so now, you can put away your kitchen knife. I have a holder for mine. I got this thing on eBay for $3. That's a lot of money, $3. That is so much. And so now, you're going to take your scopy thingy, the mushroom side, use it like a rolling thingy on your sock. Until it is all flat. And once you know that your sock is all flat, good job. And now, take it upright. It's all flat. Take your metal mushroom top, slide it inside of the sock till it's all the way to the bottom. Okay, at the ankle, to the bottom. And now, really, I could say this thing's lethal. See, metal inside the sock. Please use this. Can't see. Where are my glasses? Huh? Oh, yeah, where'd my weapon go? I think it's right here. Yeah, so, yeah, really good weapon. So now, after you got that, you will take your Tic Tac, a box full of Tic Tacs. I got ripped off on mine. I got one for $40, and that is not much at all, $40. Got this for $40, but when I woke up, there was only one little orange one in it. No. So, take your Tic Tacs, put it in. And I know, how are you going to get chocolate with a fruit Tic Tac? Alright, won't be needing that anymore. So, turns right at the bottom. Whoop, heard it click. That's why you want a metal mushroom. You know when the Tic Tac's at the bottom. Because you hear a little click, like snapping your fingers. And now, so, you're going to need to flatten it again. So you got a few new thingies in there. Yes, we go by the thingy measurement. So we measure through thingies. Okay, we will not be needing your scopy thingy anymore too. So now, second to final part, you will take your sock and roll it up. Not until you hit the mushroom. Beard's getting itchy. Alright, then you should have this shape. So you have the bottom of your mushroom facing up, the rolled part on top. Gonna take the rolled part, set it right in your compactor. Now, this part's dangerous. See, it even says on here, danger. So now you're gonna squeeze it with this little flap. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Squeezing all the juice out of that sock, all the goodness out of that sock. And the Tic Tac and the mushroom. Now all the stuff in here is dry. And oh, I just dried out my sock. I should do this more often. Now, the best part. You can hear that? I have no idea how they get the wrapper in it, though. But you get Snickers. Now, thank you and enjoy your Snickers. I can't eat it. Good. I can't eat it. Yeah. Extra stuff. Subscribe for more. Leave a like. Wonder which video you should pick. If you want to watch another one, you can watch that one or that one. No, you can pick whichever one you want.